All right, so I think I'm recording. Let's take a look at number 2. We're asked to find the domain and range. Again, the parent function is the absolute value, just like in problem 1. Um, Remember the domain. Let's copy this, because it's the same thing that we're going to be saying for quite a while now. The domain is a set of all real numbers, excluding any values of x that cause division by 0. Well, I don't have any variables in a denominator, so I don't have to worry about division by 0. Excluding any values of x that cause us to take an even root, like a square root of a negative number. Well, I don't have any square roots in there, so I don't have to worry about that. So my domain for this is all real numbers. In interval notation, we write that like this. Now for the range, I need to see the graph of that. With the basic parent function being the absolute value of x, we can kind of think what's going on here and make a sketch for ourselves, but I will show you, I'll give you a graph if I ask you this on a quiz or a test. So here's the absolute value of x. My first transformation, if I reflect that negative sign across the x-axis, then it'll make this open downward. So that's the opposite of the absolute value of x. That plus 2 is going to lift what's downward. It's going to lift it up 2 units. So my parabola is going to look like this, and the coordinate of this point is going to be 0, 2. Well, every point on this graph is below this point, and if I'm thinking up and down, if I'm thinking the range is a set of y values, below is negative infinity, and I'm coming all the way up to 2, and that's the maximum. There is no point on this graph that has a y coordinate that's larger than 2. So there's my domain and range for problem 2. Hope that helps.